there, my name is Cynthia Wakio. I'm the Communication and Events Manager here at Corporate Staffing Services. Today I have a very special guest. He will be taking us through the digital marketing course that we offer here at Corporate Staffing. Mr. Wainaina, karibu sana.
Thank you, Cynthia, for having me. I trust that you're having a good day.
I too am.
Okay.
Let's dive in. Digital marketing. In these changing times, and we have marketing strategies changing, evolving to catch up with the changing times. Why is it so important to have digital marketing skills?
You've rightly put it that in the last 10 years, there's been a lot of changes in what I would call the marketplace. And as we know, majority of our customers, I would say, in fact, 95% of the customers, they are now online. So the key question is, how do you get to reach to these customers? So digital marketing at the beginning, it was just one of those courses that you had to have, especially if you're in marketing, if you're in sales, if you're in client relationship. It was not a must. I remember 6-7 years back. But now, looking at where we are, I would say you must have. It's a key skill that you must have, especially if you're in those professions. Because how are you going to reach to your customers? Look at even government. Nowadays, how do the government communicate to us? It's through text. Look at most of the services that they're offering. If it's the driving license, you pay online. If it's licenses, like now, it's just beginning of the year, we paid it online. So everything now has moved to online, and hence the importance of you as a professional being equipped with the right skills. And that's where digital marketing comes in.
And that's very interesting. So now, having this course that you offer, I'm interested to take up this course. What is the content? How does it look like?
Great. So the good thing with digital marketing is that there are skill set that you should acquire. So we've been offering this course for the last 3 years. I myself am very passionate about digital marketing. For example, even what we are doing now is a form of digital marketing. I mean, we are doing video. 10 years ago, we wouldn't have done this, or this would not have been very relevant. So what do we cover? Number one, we take you, how do you come up with a digital marketing strategy? So whether you work for an SME or you work even for a multinational, whether you work for private sector or public sector, we'll be able to help you to know how to craft a digital marketing strategy. Then from there, we go to the specifics. How do you optimize your website? Search engine optimization. How do you do content management? Social media management? Advertising, how do you reach your customers online if you want to spend some money, if you have some budget? So here we look at things like pay-per-click advertising. So I would say it's a package that within the 10 days that we offer the course, you be able, by the time we are done with that course, you can be able to see it and do a digital marketing campaign for your organization from start to finish without, asking for help, because now you'll be competent. You'll have the skills to do what it takes to be a competent digital marketer.
All right. That's very interesting. So I have come to this class with that content that you offer. At the end of the day, I'm able to actualize a digital marketing strategy.
Yes.
So what is the success rate of people who have actually attended this class?
Very good question, Cynthia. The way we've structured the course is, it's very practical. So when we come, let's say we are taking you through digital marketing strategy, we'll use a case study. So we give the students case study from where they are working. And the beauty of the course is you don't attend every day. So it's a staggered course. So you will attend today, there's a 2 days break. And then when you come back, during that break, we'll have given you some assignment, you go do them. And then when you come, you'll have sent us your answers, and we'll give you feedback. So it's the practical nature of the class that really differentiates us from other people who might be offering the course. If it's SEO, I like telling people, you Google like HR firms in Kenya, recruitment firms in Kenya. Even for this course, you see, we are among the top. So we don't teach theory. It's what even as we are doing. And the trainers are actually practicing consultants. So they are not lecturers. This is someone who's working in that field. So they're able to translate what they do on a day-to-day basis to the content.
All right.
Yeah.
That's very interesting. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Being a must-have skill, I imagine that it's structured for a specific audience, or is it for anybody who has a business? Who is it? What is this course meant for?
Yeah, very, very good question. When we began offering this course, what we had in mind are professionals either in marketing or sales. But we've seen, interesting enough, and I agree with the people who sign up, digital marketing has become a way of life. So we've seen entrepreneurs sign up. We've seen even business managers, people who don't have a marketing background. But what they're telling us is, I want to understand our customers. It's not just a matter of posting on Facebook or sending people via WhatsApp or something like that. I want to know, how do you do digital marketing? Because that way I can be able even to support my marketing team, my digital team, because I'll have a better understanding of even what they go through. So we've seen managers sign up. We've seen obviously professionals such as marketers, those ones in sales, client-facing role, also graphic design, and also a good percentage from the IT industry, because a lot of employers, again, they think the IT people should also be conversant with digital marketing. Yeah, so I would say those are the people who sign up for the course. So if you're watching this and you have, I would say, at least 2, 3, 4 years of experience in those areas that I've mentioned, then you'll be a good candidate.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mentioned it takes 10 days. 10 days of experience, practical, and I would like to know, is it affordable, or is it something that I'll have to save up for?
No, you don't have to go for a bank loan.
Yeah.
We've made it quite, the pricing is quite friendly. So as you can see on the website, I'm sure you're watching this video on the page, you can see we even offer a discount. We also have someone can pay a deposit and then the other payments staggered. So we are quite flexible in terms of payment.
All right.
Yeah, and it's affordable.
Yeah, that's good to hear.
Yeah.
All right. And finally, somebody is watching this video and maybe they're on the fence. They're not sure if they want to take this course, or they've been thinking about taking this course, but they're not 100% sure.
Yeah.
What would you say to that person?
I think the most important thing in life is to take action. Yeah. Why? Because life changes when we take action. I mean, think of something you wanted to acquire or something you wanted to be, and the only thing that made a difference is when you committed yourself. So the way my advice to them is fill your details on the form that has the cost details, and you'll get to engage with our representative, ask them as many questions as possible, and they'll give you as much information. And from there, you'll be able to see whether this is a course that suits you. And I'm sure it's a course that suits you because you're already on this page, you're looking for this course. And the reason why you should use sign up with us as opposed to others is because of the practical nature. Ours is to handhold you, show you how it's done. And we also offer a bonus in the sense that after the training, we don't just let you go. So within the first 3 months, if you have a question, if you don't want us to help you in any way, we offer you support. Free of charge. So let's say you are running your campaign on Google and you feel, okay, I'm getting stuck here. So all you do is call us and we will organize a time when one of our trainers can take you through what you're doing and support you.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's very good. Thank you so much for that insightful session.
Great. Thank you for having me, Wakio.
Yeah, see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. As you've heard, digital marketing skills are a must-have in these changing times. I hope to see you in the next class. Please fill up the form below and we will see you in the next class. Thank you.